Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you are ready with your book Fly High Grade 3. So now we are on chapter 10 that says how to build the cat. Okay, so this is a story about a cat and some mice who were scared of the cat. So let's read the story to find out how the mice managed the way by which they were able to know where the cat is. Okay, so now before that, we need to match the following with their groups, right? Like it is a bunch of keys, a bouquet of flowers. Similarly, elephants, a group of elephant is called a herd. Wolves, pack of wolves. Lions is pride. Ants, colony. Dolphins, pod. Bees, hive. So these are oddly collective nouns, right? So now let's start reading the story. Once upon a time, a large tabby cat lived on a farm. So tabby is, to have stripes on the fur, on the body. All the mice on the farm were afraid of the cat because cat loves to eat mice, right? Every day the cat would catch at least one or two mice. So we will underline this. Okay. We are losing our brothers, sisters, cousins every day. We must do something about this. So all the mice, they said that, every day we are losing our brothers, sisters or cousins. So we should think of a way so that the cat doesn't eat the mice. Or else we'll all be dead soon, an old mouse said. One day when the cat was not around, all the mice, they met in front of a cow shed. So can you see this? Cow shed is the place where all the cows live. The old mouse said, "What should we do to stop this cat from killing us? Give me some ideas." Many mice had many ideas, but nothing was possible. So they all had a discussion, but nothing worked out. "Let's build a big trap," one mouse suggested. "Let's cut her claws and teeth," said another. So they were all coming up with their wild ideas. "What about poisoning her?" said the third one. At last, one of the little mice climbed onto a pole near the gate. So you can see this little mouse. It climbed onto the pole holding a golden chain. Waving a bell when you shake it like this, he said, "Well, tie this bell around the cat's neck so that whenever the cat is approaching, we can all hide and run away. So we'll always know where she is, right? We'll have time to escape." Great idea. A loud round of applause began, round of applause when you clap, right, in appreciation. And it went on and on. "That's a brilliant idea," said the old mouse. "But who will bell the cat?" said a squeaky little one. Squeaky, a mice, a mouse, it makes a squeaky sound that is very sharp and pointy, right? So little one standing behind the old mouse. Several whispers were heard. Whispers are when you talk very softly, khuspus, khuspus, right? And you often get scolding from your teachers when you whisper while the teacher is scolding. So whispering is talking very softly. "Not me. I'll do it willingly. But no, I can't. Not me, not me." "How? I know how to do it," said the squeaky little mouse. So this little mouse was very brave. He said, "I know how to do it." "How?" everyone asked in chorus. So all together. "Come to the riverbank tomorrow morning. I'll show you," said the little mouse. So again, they planned to come collect near the riverbank. The next morning, all the mice met at the river bank. The tabby cat was there too. All the mice, they looked puzzled. They were all confused because, they were still not confirmed, still not planned that how it will happen. The little mouse spoke. "I have challenged the cat to a running race. We'll run from here to the church and back." So the little mouse said that, we'll have a race. We have to run from here till the church and then we have to come back. "He's a fool. Does he think he can beat the cat? He's really crazy." These were some of the words the little mouse heard from the other mice. They were all, surprised that, is he a fool? He's so small, we are so small, how can we defeat a cat, right? The race began and the cat shot forward. In no time, he ran up to the church and back and he won the race. So again, it was a plan. The little mouse was very clever. He knew that he will win the race. And once he wins the race, he will have that golden chain. So that was his plan. Everyone waited for the mouse to arrive. What will happen now? Everyone asked. Finally, the mouse arrived panting. Panting is when you get tired and you are breathless. You do like this? He looked ashamed of himself. The grand old mouse came forward. We are proud that the cat is the winner. I have a special prize for her, she said. While everyone looked eagerly at the pocket in her hand, she slowly unwrapped packet in her hand. She slowly unwrapped it and put a golden chain in the bell around the cat's neck. See, so this is how he was able, this little mouse was able to bell the cat. The cat looked mighty pleased and ran away. The cat was so happy thinking that, I'm the winner and I have been awarded. But then the cat didn't knew the plan. As the cat went away, they could hear the tinkle of the bell, ting, 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 right? And there was loud applause and a cheer for that little mouse, right? So if you are wise enough, if you are smart enough, you will always look for a solution. But then if you give away, you panic, you will not be able to face any challenge. So let's come to the exercise now. We have the extract and based on it, we need to answer the questions. Where did one of the little mice climb? Onto the pole. Next, the old mouse got many ideas from the mice to stop the cat from killing them. Which of these ideas was accepted? Building a big trap? No. Cut her claws and teeth? No. Tie a bell around the cat's neck. Next, we need to tick mark the correct option. Who were all the mice afraid of? They were afraid of that cat. Everyone liked the idea of tying a bell to the cat's neck because they thought they would not be able to know where the cat is. They would then be able to attack the cat. The cat would then stop killing them. No, because then they would be able to know where the cat is and they can look for a way to escape. Who announced the cat is the winner? The grand old mouse announced that the cat is the winner. Let me check. It was the old mouse or yes, the old grand mouse. All right. Next, we have the fill in the blanks. A large dash cat lived on a farm. Tabby. All the dash on the farm were afraid of the cat. Mice. One day when the cat was not around, all the mice met in front of the cow shed. The next morning, all the mice met at the river bank, right? The dash challenged the cat to a running race, the little mouse, because he had a plan. Next, we have the question answers. How many mice were caught by the cat every day? It was at least 1 or 2 who were caught every day and eaten up. When all the mice assembled at the river bank, how did they know what was going to happen? No, they were all unaware of it. They did not know that the little mouse has really planned out something. When the cow won the race, how were all the other mice? When not cow, cat. Let's see. Everyone, now when the race began and the cat won, everyone waited for the mice to arrive. What will happen? No, because everybody was, very curious and eager to know that what will happen next. Because the little mouse did not share its plan. Next, what was the special prize for the cat? So the special prize was the cat. It was a golden chain with a bell around. So that was all about the poem. I hope you all loved it. Read it once again. Go through the exercise. Till then, take care. Happy learning.